Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to set the gesture navigation bar or 3 buttons navigation bar. Because obviously both are in the same section, so it doesn't matter if you've got the gestures, if you've got the 3 button navigation. Simply open the settings, and here in this left section we have to go to the display. And then let's scroll and find the option navigation bar. And right now we've got the gestures, so if you wish to set buttons, just tap on this option here. And as you can see, now we've got 3 button navigation. Here we've got more options, so for example you can reorder the back button and the recents and change the position from the right to the left. It's totally up to you which one is more comfortable for you. So if you wish to set the gestures, simply tap on the swipe gestures option, and instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. Of course you can go to more options, and here you can also change the gesture sensitivity, and you can block the gestures with S Pen. So for example, when you're drawing or writing near the edges of the screen, your device will not go back to the previous page. And if you wish to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. If you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the left side, it works the same. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And here we've got the home page. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, and hold your finger somewhere here, or pen obviously, just like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.